Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save your project in CapCut PC. Now actually, CapCut PC automatically saves your project if you close it anyways. So that's a way that you can save it. It's just to close it because it will automatically save, so don't worry about that at all. But if you want to export it, select the export button here and you're going to rename your project. You're going to select the folder that you want the project to be saved in. Then you are going to just adjust these and you're going to press export. But then again, I would like to remind you that CapCut does automatically save its project anyways. So if you close it, don't you worry, it's going to still be in your projects tab. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.